Hello everybody, I'm Gabby and this is Gabby Tech. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna take a look at Huawei Nova 8i. I would like to remind you to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, just smash it so you will help me and my agenda to be YouTuber. I love YouTube and I love you guys, so please support me with subscribe and like. Also you can follow me in TikTok if you're Bulgarian or Russian. There I upload very nice content. Soon I will open another TikTok for only the English audience, so I wouldn't mix up the stuff like I do it in the channel, but you should consider following me there as well. Now let's unbox the phone and take a deeper look at the specifications. Bam! This is the box of Huawei Nova 8i. We cut the stripes from the side and we open. I see the phone inside in a protective bag. We open, take it out. What a nice color. This is the pocket with the documents and our silicone protective case, the 66-watt charger, the USB Type-C cable and earplugs. What a nice set. I like it. I like the design of Huawei Nova 8i. It weighs around 190 grams. It comes into three colors. This is the silver. We have blue and black. The camera, we have the quad camera on the back, something new at the Nova design. The camera on the back reminds me of Mate 30 Pro. There is a small notch on the screen for the front camera. The screen is enormous with super thin bezels. We have the USB Type-C port, the SIM card slot, we can have up to 2 nano SIMs here, the speakers up and down and audio jack included. It's a classic phone for the price. On and off button, volume up and down button with a fingerprint opportunity. The fingerprint is fast, even though sometimes it doesn't register, but I think this is because it's too small. About the display, it's IPS LCD display, 6.67 inch with full HD plus resolution. The resolution is high, this is good. 1080 on 2376 pixels. I didn't find anything about the brightness, but it seems bright, especially when you go outside. When you enhance the brightness to the maximum, even if it's super sunny, you can still see nice text, messages, everything on the display. 16 million colors. Watching your movies and videos will definitely look nice on display. It's easy to enjoy watching some content on this beautiful big screen. The colors are impressive for LCD type. I like it. See the details, see the colors. This phone is ready to spend long nights, movie nights with you and maybe you and your partner, I don't know. About the configuration, in the core of this phone is Snapdragon 662 octa-core processor. It's mediocre processor for phones, but it's okay still. It's Snapdragon. It's a good processor with Adreno 610 GPU. Inside, it's not enough though for Fortnite. I was so happy to play Fortnite after 1 year of break with mobile Fortnite, because you know they removed it from the App Store and from Google Play Store, and I was like, oh yes, I can finally play Fortnite. That's so cool. But ended up bad experience. The gaming was laggy, even on low settings, you can see yourself. We see the lag from the very beginning and the blur. This game is basically unplayable at this stage. I barely can use the character properly. I barely move, and you will see the tragedy with the aiming. It's so bad. It's actually low settings, everything is so blurry and the craft details are gone. Just see how nasty lag there is. I barely move and I feel the screen so strange. It's like I can't move my fingers properly. I can't aim and I can't grab stuff. It's hard to destroy stuff. I'm definitely dead after a couple of minutes, even sooner. For Call of Duty was enough for Call of Duty Mobile, which makes me think that maybe this type of Fortnite that they have this new season is very heavy, not goodly optimized for phones, I guess. Now see Call of Duty, how smooth and nice it is. Because this game is well optimized, we have no problems playing it on even cheaper than this one. Nice graphics, big screen, beautiful colors, and smooth and silky gameplay. That's what we want after all, right? You can get this phone with 128GB of internal storage and 6 or 8GB of RAM. There is no opportunity for micro SD card, which is not good, because for this price tag you should at least have the opportunity to make your internal storage larger. As you can guess, we don't have Google Play Store. Instead of Google Play Store, we have App Gallery, and this time I'm impressed that we have all of the apps that I can think of. Nice! About the camera, the front camera is 16 megapixels, the back camera main sensor is 64 megapixels, the back camera is artificial intelligence camera. It's well optimized. The pictures are looking crisp with removal of the background noise. Even though if you want to use the full 64 megapixel sensor, you wouldn't have these extras. Normally you use 16 megapixel. Each 4 megapixels are combined into one, it comes 16. We also have ultra wide 8 megapixel sensor, 2 megapixel macro sensor, and 2 megapixel depth sensor. The video opportunities are 1080p 30 fps. This is bad. Come on, you should have made it at least 60. The stabilization is okay, not the most amazing, but okay. Even though for this price tag you can get a phone with much better camera like Samsung A52. I expected more from this camera. Okay, the pictures are crisp, but when you make pictures it feels so rigid. Sometimes you make the picture, you need to wait time for the software to remove the background noise. It's a hassle. Now it's time for picture comparison. Here you see two pictures made with 16 megapixel, or actually the main sensor squished into 16. The macro 2 megapixel is very impressive. The quality is impressive for 2 megapixel. Honestly, I haven't expected that. A little bit comparison between normal and ultra wide. Between 16 and 64 megapixel full sensor. When we use the full sensor, there is no software optimization and the colors appear darker with a lot of side background noise. The video quality is not impressive at all. The stabilization is completely gone. I stay on one place here and you can see how shaky it is. The selfie camera, nice details, but the beauty mode looks horrible. The battery is 4300 mAh. It supports up to 66 watt fast charge. That means for 17 minutes your battery will be up to 60% and for 32 minutes up to 100. That's very impressive. The operation system is Android 10 with MY 11. I haven't done a review of Huawei phone a very long time, and I noticed this time that most of the apps are already available in the Huawei App Store, App Gallery. I see all of the games, including Fortnite, Viber, WhatsApp, all of the essential apps are there, so I wouldn't cry that there is no Google Play Store. So, this was my short review about Huawei Nova 8i. I hope you liked it. Even if you don't, just give me a like to support me. Thank you very much. Smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Let's go!